अच्छा बच्चे, ये कौन सा अटेम्प्ट है आपका?
So it was my fourth attempt, first mains, first interview.
फर्स्ट मेंस फर्स्ट इंटरव्यू। मुझे एक चीज बताओ बेटा, why do you want to join the civil service?
So civil services would give me a lot of challenging work.
You think so?
Yes, sir. Because
Sitting in the secretariat and clearing files about somebody's casual leave is challenging work?
so I believe since I put my first choice as the Indian Administrative Service, I would be getting to deal with the revenue, law and order, and
In one
development
state,
work.
in one district.
So,
अगर आपको कहीं और नहीं भेजा तो क्या करोगी बेटी?
so I think a lot of officers, they took deputation in Central and they.
Oh no. It's not for you to volunteer. It's for us to choose.
But sir, I think even in the district level, in the grassroots level also, sir, a lot of work can be done.
You can't do it outside the IAS?
Of course, sir, it can be done outside the IS. But if
Yeah.
I am in the IS, I would get empowered to empower the
Thank you
community.
very much. So you want the power? बोल तो दिया आपने.
So that would be used to empower the
Am I
communities.
saying? You want the? I'm not asking you what you'll do with it. You want the power? मजा आता है ना पावर होने से? लाल बत्ती गाड़ी पे मजा आता है ना? मजा आता है कि नहीं?
No, sir, but actually that would give us a lot of opportunity also to work for
बेटा,
people.
मुझे सब मालूम है वो कहानी. I'm trying to ask you to give me an honest answer.
Yes, sir, that is the power.
You will enjoy the power.
It's the most prestigious job of the country.
Thank
I
you
want to
very
be a
much.
part
Now
of it.
you have come clean with us.